Hey guys, this is the first voiceover for this channel. You can finally hear my voice. So I'm doing a dorm room tour, one overdue one. I've been waiting to do. So this is back when I didn't have a lot of stuff. So I had my boots, my toilet cleaner, brush, some snacks. To be fair, this is a lot fuller. A lot of things a lot fuller. All of these cleaning supplies I got at the dollar store, the 100 yen store. That is my IH cooking pan and cooking area that is electric. So then I have all my kitchen stuff and all my salt and pepper, some other foods that are in there. And then we move over to the other area. This is where the bathroom is. Here is my light switch. This is my heater that heats the water up. So I have to hit the red button if I want it automatically heated. Here is my small bathroom. Yes, everything in here is pretty much small, but it's pretty good size, I think, for myself. I'm not too fond of the bathtub. It's a little different than the one back at home. The one back at home is a lot lower, so it's not so tall. Gotta turn the light off when you leave. I was on that. So here we have the light switch that I just turned it on to nightlight mode. And then the phone, I do got a phone, so it's light. So this is a really good nightlight if you need one for sleeping or you don't want it to be too dark or you're laying in bed, that sort of thing. This thing I had in my hand, that was the remote to change it because of how far away the light switch is. This is the fridge again. It's a lot fuller now with food. This is when I was starting out. Didn't have too much. Didn't really go grocery shopping. It was like my first time hitting the actual supermarket, so I had a little bit of stuff. I didn't know too much about that thing so much, so now I'm getting a little bit of my hands on it. I bought this one from home, and this one's a really cute bag. I'll leave a link down below to who made it, so definitely check them out. But anyways, here is my closet. It does come with drawers on the bottom. So the top one has all my underwear and socks. This one is my t-shirt, and then the bottom one is all of my pants. As you can see, it's not as full. It was fuller. I've just been using all the stuff. So this is what okay, let me put my bag back. Sorry guys. So here is the bed. It's a nice bed. Nice comfy as the one back at home though. That is my air conditioner that actually does heating. This is my bags. That's my backpack. I use this for school. Oh, I got some receipts on the floor. Sorry about that. I was trying to tidy before I show you. So this is my essentials. I got all my stationery stuff. This is all my bathroom stuff, like face wipes, pads and stuff, and then my important stuff are in there besides my gachapon capsule. These are my keys. Oh, I love the jellyfish on here. Got my K-pop on it as well. Got my mask, got my camera, my hairbrush, towel. Not really important. And here is my desk. So I did go to the Pokemon Center. I did get some figures. I was working on my Japanese manga novel. Let me just put back my stuff that I don't need out. That is my Surface Pro that I can use to write on. Really handy. My flashcards, so I can learn hiragana. Here is my top shelf with all my figures, and you guys can see the lovely figures. Most of these, except for the Pokemon, the two Pokemon ones in the back, they were from the box down below. The rest of those figures, they were all from gachapon. So then I got all my notebooks, my albums, my K-pop stuff, some more figures from gachapon. The cards were from some gummies that I got. But yeah, this is all the manga I've gotten so far. I plan to get more in the future while I'm here. Oh, I got that manga. I pulled my bias. Win-win for the first time out of my wavy album. So that is my whole desk. Very, very nice. So now we are gonna look outside. Oh, it's actually nighttime when I'm filming this. What do you know? I totally forgot. But so I have to pull the latch up and then do it. It slides. It's made of, it's all glass, pretty much. But this is my balcony. It has a little rod for me to actually hang my clothes on. I used it for the first time today when I'm doing this voiceover. So, it's so far so good. So that is my view from my balcony. But yeah, so pretty much that is my dorm room tour. Not so much, not a lot, what I meant to say, but enough. This is my window. I'm trying to be quiet because I don't want to be too loud and noisy. But anyways, so that is my dorm room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.